My name is Shubham Kulle. Today's discuss about non-technical topics. How safe are digital transactions? The digital transactions are generally safe when proper security and measures are in the place. However, the safety of this transaction depends on the several factors. First one is the inscriptions. Reputable platform use the strong inscriptions such as the SSL and TLS to protect data transaction between your device and the server, making it difficult for attacks to intercept and reading the informations. Second one is the two-factor authentications, 2FA. These advertise and etc. layer of security by the require second form verifications and code sent to your phone in addition to your password. Third one is the secure payment gateways. In that most e-commerce platform use trustable payment gateways such as PayPal, Strips that are PCI complicated, ensuring the financial information to handling securely. Fourth one is the tokenizations. Many platforms use the tokenization where the sensitive data, credit card numbers is replaced with a token with that cannot be exploited in even intercept. Fifth one is the device security. In device security, the safety to your device, phone, computers matters. Ensure you have up-to-date antivirus software and avoid the public Wi-Fi for transactions unless you are using VPN. In that sixth one is the fraud detections, banks and payments. Platform often employ power fraud detection systems to spot and block the suspicious transactions. In next one is the while these measures greatly enhance security, risk like phishing, weak password and data breach still exist. It is important to stay vigilant by using the strong unique passwords and only transactions trustable website or apps. In that next one is the first one, however the transactions and transaction is generally safe when proper security measures are in the place. However, the safety of these transactions depends on several factors. First one is the inscription. Reputable platform use the strong inscriptions such as SSL, TLS to protect the data transmitted between your device and that server, making it difficult to attacks to intercept and read the information carefully. Digital transactions is the PhonePe, Google Pay. All transactions are included. Two-factor. These factors, advertising, etc., layer security by the require second form of verification. Then send to your phone in addition to your password. This password is the securely payment gateways. Most commerce platform use trustable payment gateways. In that payable strips that PCI DSS complicated, ensuring your financial handling properly, securely. Next one is the tokenization. Many platforms use the tokenization where sensitive data, credit card and numbers replaced with a token that cannot be exploited in encrypted. Okay, thank you.